Hello friends, welcome to CLAT Gurukul, and I am Nilanjan Bose and I am the teacher of English over here, and today I am going to present the daily practice sheet along with the explanation. Right, already you have come to know that daily practice sheet number 11 has already been uploaded. Okay, so you have gone through the passage, you practiced, maybe there is certain doubt in your mind, so I am here to clarify all these things right now. And before starting this particular passage, I'd like to say that most of the passages are taken from the newspaper like the Hindu and Indian Express. So you must go through all these papers, which are really important from the perspective of CLAT examination along with AILET and other low entrance examinations. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started with the passage daily practice sheet number 11. Let us talk about what is the passage talking about. Fine. The Delhi High Court has observed the right to privacy includes the right to be forgotten and the right to be left alone while directing various online platforms, including YouTube, to take down certain objectionable video clips of a Bengali actor. Justice Asha Menon was of the opinion that the right to privacy of the plaintiff is to be protected, especially when it is person that is being exhibited and against her will. More or less, if you can easily consider this passage on the basis of legal or lawful act, right? The woman who claimed to be a well-known actor in Bengali film में कोई actor के बारे में बताया जा रहा है यहाँ पे, said she was approached by Ram Gopal Verma. You all know about this famous name. Studios for filming a web series. एक web series को create किया गया था. She said on the promise made to her of giving her the lead role in the web series. Web series में उनको एक leading role देने के लिए वादा किया गया था. She was lured in participating in demonstration video or trailer comprising explicit scenes of complete frontal nudity. However, the project fell through and the web series was never produced. ये तो fortunate है कि web series produce नहीं हुआ, but actually it was ditch. Okay, उनको cheat किया गया था. So the passage is talking about the legal matters and the ditching impact, and somebody has been cheated over here. Bengali actor name has already been mentioned in this particular passage. So on the whole, if you judge or if you consider this passage, it should be on a moderate level and the legalities have been included in that. So without wasting time, let us move to question number 1. What was said by the woman who claimed to be a well-known actor in Bengali films? अगर क्वेश्चन को देखें तो ये पूछा जा रहा है कि वुमन के द्वारा क्या बताया गया जो क्लेम किए कि बंगाली फिल्म्स में एक वेल-नोन एक्टर, उनका क्लेम क्या था? First, she was harassed by eminent director Ram Gopal Verma. Second one, she was forced to act in a controversial movie. No. She was approached by Ram Gopal Verma studios for acting in a horror movie. इसका तो कोई mention नहीं किया गया है. Last option, she was approached by Ram Gopal Verma studios for filming a web series. Exactly, and that was already mentioned. That has been already mentioned in this particular passage. Web series के बारे में बात किया गया था यहाँ पे. ठीक है? So correct answer is going to be option D. 1D. Moving to question number 2. Why was the plaintiff constantly subjected to anonymous callers? आपको ये देखने के लिए क्वेश्चन को अब एक बार पैसेज में भी गेट बैक करना पड़ेगा. Look, there are certain questions जिसको क्वेश्चन देखते हुए आपको तुरंत एक बार पैसेज को गेट बैक करना चाहिए और देखना चाहिए कि कहां पे ये मुद्दा है. क्वेश्चन ये पूछ रहे हैं, why was the plaintiff constantly subjected to anonymous callers? ऐसा क्यों? The website did not consult with the woman before uploading videos. ऐसा तो नहीं है. The videos were made attractive to draw the attention of the common people. It can be, but it is not mentioned in the paragraph explicitly. A few websites superimposed objectionable and obscene commentaries on the videos. ये लाइन है पैसेज में और ये लाइन के अकॉर्डिंगली अब आसानी से देखो, पैसेज में अगर आप गेट बैक करते हैं तो यहां पे है ये चीज, आपको एक बार देखना होगा. इन गेटिंग बैक टू द पैसेज, दिस इज द लाइन. Some of them also superimpose objectionable and obscene commentaries on the videos. So these are the keywords from the passage you will easily get to know. So basis on that particular basis, you are going to select the correct answer, that is option C. Question number 3. What was the opinion of Justice Asha Menon? It is quite easy, very easy in fact, clearly it is stated that the right to privacy of the plaintiff is to be protected. Justice Asha Menon का एक statement यहाँ पे दिया गया था, आप लोग भी ये देखे हो. If you go through the passage, this is the line. Justice Asha Menon was of the opinion that right to privacy of the plaintiff is to be protected. So there is no doubt about that what should be the correct answer. It should be option B. Question number 4. Which of the following statement is incorrect according to the passage? Once again, you have to find out a particular statement which on the basis of the passage is proving incorrect, not correct. Okay. The woman was lured into participating in demonstration video trailer comprising explicit scenes of complete frontal nudity. Is it so? It is correct because it is mentioned in the passage. B. The web series was a super hit according to many. Not at all, because the web series was never uploaded. So there is no question of getting super hit over here. Explicitly, it is the incorrect sentence. Rest of the options, option C and D, clearly it is written in the passage. So we are going to select option B as the correct answer. The last question of this particular passage. Which of the following words can best replace the word plaintiff? यहाँ plaintiff शब्द का क्या मीनिंग हो सकता है? And if you directly know what is the meaning of the word plaintiff, you can easily go for the answer. Otherwise, you have to get back to the passage and you will find it out that what should be the correct answer. Moving to the option, first one, perpetrator. It doesn't have any relationship with the word plaintiff. Next one, accuser. Yes, accuser is a word which is to be known as plaintiff. Next, initiator, one who initiates. It doesn't have any connection with that. So definitely the correct answer is going to be accuser. So I have already explained the theme of the passage, what is the crux of the passage. On that particular basis, I have already told you, I have showed you in fact that in which way you are going to select your correct answer going through the option. Okay. That's all from my side today. I am quite hopeful that all of you have understood absolutely clear the passage is right now. No doubt will be there. That's all. Thank you very much. Have a great time.